Welcome to this moment of stillness. As we begin the new year, let's take this time to pause, breathe, and center ourselves. This meditation is designed to help you cultivate focus and clarity as you prepare to write your intentions for the year ahead. Together, we will create space in your mind and heart for the dreams and goals that truly matter to you. Start by bringing awareness to your body. Feel the connection to the earth or the cushion beneath you. Imagine roots extending from your feet deep into the ground, anchoring you securely. With each breath, feel a sense of stability and grounding. Now shift your attention to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm without trying to change it. Inhale in, feeling the air fill your lungs and energize your body. Exhale out, releasing distractions or lingering worries. Now envision yourself standing at the beginning of a beautiful path. This path represents your journey into the new year. It is lined with soft, vibrant greenery, and the air around you feels refreshing and alive with possibilities. Breathe it in. As you take each step forward, notice how the ground beneath you feels steady and supportive. Each step brings you closer to clarity and focus. With every inhale, feel a growing sense of purpose. The path begins to gently slope upward, leading you to an open field bathed in a warm golden light. Here you pause for a moment and look around. This is the space where your intentions take root. As you walk further along, you'll notice small markers along the way. Each one is a symbol of an intention, a value, or a dream you hold dear. You reach out and touch one of these markers. It feels solid and real, a reminder that your intentions are not just wishes, but seeds ready to grow. With each step, you feel more aligned, more certain that this path is right for you. Now the path opens into a clearing, a quiet space where the air feels still and calm. In this space, you can hear your inner voice clearly. What does it say? Perhaps it's a word of encouragement, a reminder of your strength, or a simple whisper to trust yourself. Let this message guide your intentions as you move forward into the new year. Now bring your mind into seeing a single word, or maybe feeling a feeling that represents what you wish to cultivate this year. It might be the word joy, or the word focus. Maybe it's abundance. Or is it peace? Let this word form clearly in your mind's eye. See it written in a golden light, glowing brightly all around. With every inhale, breathe this word into your being. With every exhale, feel it integrate into your heart and mind. As you breathe, know that this clarity and focus are always within you, ready to guide your intentions and your actions. Breathe in your message. Breathe in your word. Know that the path before you is clear, steady, and illuminated with purpose. Trust that every step you take this year will align with your highest good. Breathe in clarity. Exhale doubt. This is your path. This is your year. What is the intention you are setting? At the end of this meditation, I invite you to take out your journal and write down the word or words that came to you. Write down your intentions for the year. I am joy. I am happy. I am abundance. Inhale your clarity. Exhale any doubt. Thank you for joining me, the Silver Sage, on this meditation for clarity and focus for the new year. Take in one more deep breath and exhale and bring yourself back to the room.